I don't have prescription drug coverage.
Okay, so coupons.
Yeah.
Let me see all. Are these coupons you looked up? Perfect.
Yeah.
And did they kind of go over like the dosing schedule for you? How you're doing like one dose and then you're repeating it in 2 days, and then you'll do it every 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay. And with this one, take it with plenty of water. Just make sure you're hydrated with this one.
Okay. And how do the refills work? I don't do medication ever, sorry.
Yeah, they gave you 5 refills, so we, whenever you need it, you can call us. Since it's kind of a weird dosing schedule, our system doesn't let us like automatically schedule this one. I can try to, but whenever you're a couple days out from needing the next one, give us a call to make sure we have it, and then if we don't, we can order it and get it the next day.
Okay.
But just give us a call and we can fill it.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, that's nice too. Your cards are inside that prescription bag.
Oh, great.
You are all set. Have a good day.
Bye. Oh my gosh. That was so easy. So I didn't know. I'm gonna pull over here real quick. Alright, so check it out. Where's my name and stuff? Oh, here. Okay, so check it out. It says ivermectin tablets. Huh. 3 milligram tablets. 3 milligrams. Instructions. CVS. Just, that was easy. I think that's Lebanon. I don't know where that is. Anyways. So Bangladesh, Bolivia, Belize, Bulgaria, Cameroon, Czech Republic, Cuba. I mean, a lot of different places. So if you're living abroad, Honduras, Hungary, India, Israel, Japan, Macedonia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Slovakia, South Africa, USA, see below, and then Zimbabwe. So the United States has all these people. And so they do basically like people who do all 50 states, and then you guys can see state by state. Some of them like to do a website, others like to do text us, others like to do email us, others like to do call us. So I went with the ones that had some websites, and I'll just tell you, I mean, this is the one that I ended up going with, Air Care. And I should show you this. So I'll take this off. This is my paperwork. And so you can see, first of all, like, it's from CVS, okay? And then it's the same information from before, like ivermectin, 5 tabs. It gives you, how often you can take it. And then down below, it's a little harder to read, but I'm going to try to give it to you. So you can see that I got 20 tablets each, so quantity 20, and then refills 5. And then you can see Richard Herscher. So you can see that. And then I'll try, I don't know if you're got it for $24 instead of $95. Okay, so anyways, you can go online, and I just printed them and cut them out. It says no barcode, and it's the same ID. All these bin numbers and these codes are all the same, whether you get the 5 or the 8 tablet coupon. So I don't know. Anyways, going back to this, so Air Care, I was like, this seems really sketchy. I'm not a big prescription drug at all person. Like, I never do this. So plus this is out of state, and I want to make sure. Okay, so I called these people, and I'll show you when I called them. So 214-373-1773, right? So you can see that's them, right? It rings into Dallas, Texas. And I called them March 4th, okay? And I'll just show you that today is March 6th so that you know. I don't know, like, I'm not good enough with phones to be able to manipulate this, but you can see this is just iPhone 6th March. So, I mean, I guess maybe there's some way I could have changed it. Yeah, so this is Google, 5:47 p.m., Saturday, March 6th, okay? So 2 days later. So yeah, so by the 6th I was able to get it. So here's how it worked. On Thursday, I called them and I said, okay, walk me through this. Is this legit? Like, did they sound legit? How was it going to work? Basically, it was $150 for the consultation. I had to give them a credit card up front. Then that night, they sent me some PDFs, which is just like a health history form and like a waiver of, agreement for services and things of this nature. Then after that, they sent me a link for a Zoom meeting. I had a Zoom meeting with a PA, which is a physician's assistant. So this is similar to a nurse practitioner. They have master's level medical training. So obviously able to prescribe medication and things like this. And so I called the one actually here, but then I ended up doing the work with the people out of Plano. I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to think what else you need to know about that. So just for her protection, the PA's protection. But I mean, this is, I get a standard, email back from them: air care, allergy, immunology, respiratory care, PA. I mean, just like normal business stuff, like nothing weird at all. So that's what I ended up doing. And then, like I said, took 2 days. I don't order a lot, but they were able to send it to the CVS near me, and I just went and picked it up, even though I live in a different state. And so, but the one unique thing about them is that it's $90. So I had to pay $150 with air care. This is only $90. It's a little bit different. You send in the online payment. You fill out an online form, and then you just have to kind of hang by your phone, and a physician will call you within 24 to 48 hours. It can be anonymous, so they say keep your phone with you. Then what they do is they say that they've had problems in the past with getting like the corporate pharmacies or certain pharmacies to fulfill these prescriptions. And so what they do is they partner with this company called Ravku Pharmacy. They have a number, and I'll show you them in a second. But basically, one of the downsides of Ravku, is that they only apparently really work in major metropolitan areas. And I'll show you the map. So I waited 4 or 5 days. And then I just thought maybe they're really busy. They're really busy, and I'm at the end of the line. I eventually emailed them back on Wednesday, and so I think I started on Friday, and then I didn't hear from them until Wednesday. So that was like 5 days. So I emailed them and I said, hey, I still want to do this. And they canceled my order, and they said they were going to refund my money. I haven't checked to see if they've refunded my money, but I never spoke with the physician. I did miss a call, but it only rang in like one ring, and I went to pause my computer from what I was doing and pick up the call, and it was gone, and I never got a second call. So maybe they're just who knows what's going on with it. So this is Ravku, and if you go to their locations, basically they'll give you an interactive map and say, I don't know, let's pick like a city, let's do Florida. So it'll give you the major cities, California, but it won't give you all of them. Fresno, I mean, there's a lot of people that don't live in these cities. Texas is huge, and those are 8 different places. So it may not work for you necessarily. I don't know what their coverage area is. You might have to call and check. So that's like one of the weirder things. I've never done anything like that before. I don't order a lot of medicines, hardly at all. I'm just going to add this extra footage just so that you feel like it's legit as possible, so you don't have to worry about is this fraudulent or not. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. I mean, there are really there's 20 pills in here. I didn't fit in with the chemical formula, and it has the tablets, with the. Oh, can you see it? I think you can. It's hard to see, eh? Sorry. I think you can read that. So prescription. So it's not like this is a fraud, This isn't. I'm not. I didn't put Benadryl in here or something. This is. I don't know how to make it any more clear to you that you can share it. Please consider donating if this helps you a lot, because my computer is so noisy, and I'd like to get one. It's a 2011 MacBook Pro. What is this? Watch this. It's gonna be awful. MacBook Pro, early 2011. Y'all send me some love. This machine is 10 years old. All right. Well, that's all I have for you guys. I hope all is well, and I hope it helps. Stay safe out there. We'll talk to you next time.